Are you ready to explore the edges of the Earth where few dare to venture? Welcome to our thrilling journey into the world's most extreme travel destinations. This isn't just travel, it's an expedition into the heart of the wild. Let's ignite your spirit of adventure and discover what lies beyond the ordinary. Embark on the ultimate adventure to the frozen frontier of Antarctica, a pristine wilderness that doubles as a playground for the truly adventurous. Glide through icy waters on a kayak, surrounded by towering glaciers and curious wildlife, including seals and penguins. Dive into the cold, vivid underwater world with snorkeling gear to explore beneath the ice, where unique sea creatures thrive. Scale the untouched and rugged terrains by climbing icy peaks, navigating one of Earth's last true wilderness areas. Cap off your extreme adventure by camping under the southern stars on the ice, connecting with the vastness and silence of this remote landscape in a way few ever will. Explore the extreme and ethereal landscapes of Death Valley, a land of stark contrasts and surreal beauty. Begin your journey at Zabriskie Point, where the golden hues of dawn or the fiery colors of dusk paint the undulating hills in breathtaking colors. Venture to Dante's View for a panoramic spectacle of the valley below, where the vast, arid expanse stretches to the horizon. Don't miss the Badwater Basin, the lowest point in North America, where the vast salt flats create an otherworldly terrain that feels like walking on another planet. Nearby, the artist's palette astonishes with its vibrant mineral deposits, showcasing a dazzling array of colors that challenge the visual senses. As night falls, turn your gaze upwards at one of the best stargazing spots in the world. Dive into the enchanting Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, a treasure trove of natural wonders and ancient history. Start your adventure with the mesmerizing cenotes, natural sinkholes that offer crystal-clear waters ideal for cave diving. Explore these underwater labyrinths, where light filters through the water in beams, creating a magical atmosphere perfect for both novice and experienced divers. Above ground, the lush landscapes of Yucatan are home to vibrant wildlife, including majestic sea turtles that can be observed in their natural habitat along the coast. Journey back in time with visits to the iconic ruins of Chichen Itza and Tulum, where ancient Mayan civilizations once thrived. These archaeological sites stand as a testament to the ingenuity and spirit of the Mayan people, with the spectacular pyramid of Kukulkan in Chichen Itza and the breathtaking seaside cliffs of Tulum. Journey into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, the largest and most biodiverse tract of tropical rainforest in the world. As you navigate through this lush, green paradise, marvel at the overwhelming beauty of towering trees, vibrant flora, and the symphony of sounds from countless bird species. Experience the thrill of fishing in the Amazon River, where the waters are teeming with life. Try your hand at catching piranhas or the gigantic paiche, one of the largest freshwater fish in the world. Witness the unique wildlife that inhabits this dense forest, from colorful macaws and stealthy jaguars to playful monkeys and slow-moving sloths. Embark on a breathtaking journey through Chile, a land sculpted by the forces of nature, offering adventures as diverse as its landscapes. Explore the stunning natural beauty of Chile, a country where diverse landscapes cascade from the Andes to the Pacific Ocean. In the heart of the country, the vibrant and lush Lake District stretches with crystal-clear lakes and thick forests, providing a haven for hiking and water sports. Trek through dramatic mountain scenery past ice-blue glaciers. Head north to Yucatan, where the imposing Villarrica volcano offers an exhilarating climb with views of the surrounding lakes and forests from its smoldering crater. On Chile's vast coastline, catch the perfect waves for surfing, with spots like Pichilemu known as the surf capital of the country. Atacama Desert, the driest place on Earth, where the clear skies and minimal light pollution create an unrivaled stargazing experience. Gaze at the Milky Way stretching across a jet-black sky, a stark contrast to the day's vibrant adventures. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey across some of the world's most stunning and untamed landscapes. If you enjoyed this adventure and would like to see more, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest adventures. Leave a comment below to let us know which destination captivated you the most and where you think we should travel next.